65A Orient Drive has it all. It is stone's throw away from the beach, uninterrupted views. We have an architecturally designed home that has short-term holiday let approval. This is the one that you've been looking for. Come with me, let's check it out.
This is it. Woke up this morning, saw was in the air. Glass walls were breathing, didn't have a care. The whole world opens up, the light comes pouring through. Just the sound of the ocean, me and you. It's a rhythm you can feel occurring in your soul. Letting go of everything, losing all control. This ain't just a place, it's a state of mind. Leaving all the noise and the city grind behind. And it feels like freedom, feels like coming home, where the water meets the sky.